Hi! Come with me on a vlog. We're going to pick up my little sister right now. And then we are gonna go get boba, go to the grocery store, and try a bunch of gluten-free snacks. We've achieved the little sister. OMG, we're going to boba now. Okay, we've gotten boba. I got lavender. Yay! Now on our way to Safeway, and I'm not gonna film inside because I'm terrified of filming inside. So, you want to film inside?
Sure.
Okay. Well,
I won't look as stupid as you said.
then I guess we'll be filming inside.
Okay, so we went to Safeway and basically, they had nothing there. We found gluten-free mint Oreos, but we couldn't find anything else besides like this cake. So, yeah. Where are we going now? We're going to a different store that will hopefully have more things. It's right over there. So we'll be back.
Okay,
We're back.
we're back. We bought 3 snacks. They're actually not snacks, they're baked goods, but whatever. We bought 3 things from the store. All right. Our first one,
Is these things.
Cocoa Rolls Original. Let's try
Never
them.
tried them. They also had espresso and salted caramel. Wow. Here, let me try.
Okay, your turn. I had those at my work last summer and they were pretty good. I worked at an ice cream place and I would dip them in the vanilla ice cream and it was pretty good.
Smells like coconut, kind of.
Yeah.
Well, it's coconut, so.
You take one. This is what they look like.
It's like a straw.
Yeah. Alright. They're very crumbly, but they're really good.
It's like a dry croissant.
Yeah, kinda. If a croissant were a chip, this is what it'd be. And coconut flavored.
Rated.
Out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
I'd give it probably like a 7 out of 10. 8 out of 10? 8 out of 10.
I'll give it like a 7.5.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Points down for the messiness though.
Oh.
There's crumbs all over my pants
I
now.
think you're just a messy person.
Okay.
Should we move on?
Yes, moving on.
Okay.
Wait, no, let's do those next.
Okay.
That's the pièce de la résistance.
Okay, we're gonna try vanilla chocolate wafers from Glutino. We know this brand quite well because it's Glutino.
If you're gluten-free, you've had Glutino things.
These
They're
expired
Oreos. They're okay. No, they're not.
May 2024. Okay. I have to cleanse my palate.
Oops. I just ripped it. Okay.
I don't have any water because I came from school.
I do have water, but it's Gatorade water.
Ew. I hate Gatorade. I'm a Gatorade hater.
I'm a Gatorade enjoyer. Gatorade is my love. My one true love is Gatorade.
It tastes like cough medicine.
Gatorade, sponsor me.
Okay, here's 6 followers.
That's 6 followers. Okay.
See, the thing about these is they're a little bit boring, but like, if you like the flavors, it's good.
Yeah. I think they're pretty good. I give them probably like a 6 out of 10. 6.5 out of 10.
I would give it like a 5.5 or a 6. It's just boring, but the actual wafer has a good flavor. We're gonna be trying this chocolate brownie from the Wow Baking Company. Oh, I thought this was a cookie,
It says brownie.
but I thought it was like a cookie brownie because all the other ones were cookies. So I figured this was also.
I've had Wow cookies before. I like Wow cookies. I think they're very good. My favorite's a Snickerdoodle. I'm very excited about this brownie.
This is a pretty big brownie.
It's a very big brownie. We can split it in half and then give each other.
This would be better
can each
with
have a half
forks,
of a half.
but somebody had terrible planning and forgot forks.
I remembered to pick you
Yeah,
up.
that's
That
a
was
fork.
like. What?
A half of a half?
Yes, I
I
know.
don't want this. I don't want this either.
To bed.
Okay.
Brownie. No. That's not it.
There's a person. I'll give it like a 2, maybe?
That's a 1. Where is the flavor?
Wait, hold on.
It doesn't taste like chocolate. What is the ingredients in here? What does it taste like? What am I tasting?
It's kind of like dirt.
Wait, where's the part that you ripped? I ripped? Who ripped it? I don't remember. One super important question for the WoW Banking Company. I'm going to list your ingredients. Brown rice, long grain white rice, tapioca starch, cornstarch, potato starch, chocolate chips, organic cane sugar, unsalted butter, eggs, unsulfured molasses, vanilla extract, salt, xanthan gum, baking soda. Is anything missing from this brownie? There's no cocoa powder! Why would someone not put cocoa powder in a brownie? I give that a 2 out of 10.
I'll give it a 0.5.
Actually, no, that's a 1. I'm sorry. That was bad. Try harder.
Overall,
I like all of your other things too. I was so hyped for the brownie.
I don't really remember any of the other ones. Like eating them.
Well, yeah, because they have eggs in them. Neve used to be allergic to eggs, but isn't anymore.
That's true. I kind of am. But not really. The brownie really brought it down.
The brownie really brought the vibes down.
An average of like 5.
I was so hyped for that brownie. It looked
I didn't
so
rate
good.
anything over like a 7. We should have gotten mint Oreos.
We should have gotten the mint Oreos.
I told you.
No, you didn't. You actually said don't buy them. I just was pointing them out.
No one thought to tell me that Oreo had made gluten-free mint ones. So
We've had them at our house before.
No, we haven't, because I've never had them.
I guarantee you we've had them.
You're such a liar.
Anyways, that's our review on stuff.
Pretty cool.
Pretty slay, pretty awesome.
Don't say that.
Okay. Bye! You gotta say bye.
Bye.
Bye!